Craving that crispy, juicy, golden and flavorful KFC-style fried chicken that better than takeout. It includes a flavorful secret spice mix and a crispy coating just like the original. Here's a simple KFC-style fried chicken recipe you can make at home. Do try this juicy tender KFC-style fried chicken recipe. Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for You presents KFC-style fried chicken. Put chicken niblets in a bowl. Take as much as you want. Squeeze half lemon. Add teaspoon of vinegar. Pour cold water in it. Mix well. It helps to clean the chicken and reduce strong gamey smell. Remove impurities and making chicken more tender. Cover and keep in the refrigerator and let it soak for 30 minutes. Then wash and clean lollipops, plucking the hairs off from the niblets. Place chicken niblets one by one on the kitchen towel. Dab and pat them dry with kitchen towel. Once they're completely nice and dry, transfer into a mixing bowl. Add 200 ml buttermilk or 100 ml yogurt plus 100 ml water. Pour on chicken niblets. Instead of this you can add 1 cup milk plus 1 tablespoon vinegar or lemon juice. Crack 1 large egg in it. One teaspoon soy sauce. 1 tablespoon green chili sauce. At this point add all the masalas. Add salt to taste. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder or paste. 1 teaspoon paprika. 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder. 1 tablespoon Kashmiri chili powder. 1/4 teaspoon onion powder. Combine well. Making sure they are almost submerged. Cover and refrigerate to marinate for at least 1 to 2 hours. Meanwhile, let's prepare dry ingredients mix. Take 1½ cup all-purpose flour. 1/3 cup corn flour to make it extra crispy. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. Salt to taste. 1/2 teaspoon baking powder. 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder. 1/2 teaspoon chili powder. 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder. 1 chicken stock powder. Combine well. Give it a good mix. Our chicken marinated well. Now it's time to dredge. Remove chicken from the buttermilk and let excess drip off. Place the marinade chicken on the dry coating bowl. Coat with dry mix coating. Rub well. For extra crispiness, dip coated chicken in cold water. Then dredge in flour mixture again. Shake well to remove excess flour. First coat with flour mixture. Dredge each piece in the flour mixture. Pressing firmly so it sticks well. Remove excess flour. Submerge in a bowl of cold water. Again, coat with dry ingredients mix. Press down firmly. Shake well to remove excess flour. Remove on a plate. Repeat the same procedure for all. Let it sink in a bowl of cold water. Coat with flour. All pieces are coated well. Heat up the pan for frying. Add oil. Drop chicken in hot oil. Fry chicken in batches. Do not overcrowd. Cook on low to medium flame for 10 to 15 minutes until chicken tender. Flip and turn occasionally. Fry until crispy golden brown. Once chicken tender, remove it. Our crispy, juicy KFC-style fried chicken wings are ready to enjoy. Drain on a wire rack, not on paper towels to prevent sogginess. Time to plate. Pair with fries for true KFC experience. Serve and enjoy. Hear the crunchiness. Let the chicken rest for a few minutes before serving. Craving that crispy, juicy, golden and flavorful KFC-style fried chicken that's better than takeout. Do try this KFC-style fried chicken recipe at home and share your valuable feedback with us. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.